this video, I'm going to show you how you can use MagManager's powerful flat planner to start to create beautiful looking magazines without using the booking functionality in MagManager. So how do you start to create adverts and articles on a blank flat plan like this? So from the flat plan, you can see the various sizes that are available in the sidebar. So you simply click the little arrow to expand it, and you'll see the options for new advert and new content. So hover over new advert and drag and drop it onto the flat plan. You simply add in the client's name, and you can click save straight away, and that will just add the full page to the flat plan. But as I already have the artwork ready for this client, I can just go ahead and drag and drop the PDF directly onto the full page there, and then I'll update the status as artwork supplied by customer. That's going to change the background from the pink, which means that it's not approved, to green, which indicates that it is approved. And click save, and you'll see that it is now displayed on the flat plan. If I toggle the show artwork, you can see a visual of the artwork there. It's the same if I want to add content. I simply select the size of the content. In this case, it's full page. Hover over new content, and I'm adding that to page 3. So this is going to be my welcome page, and I have the advert ready, the artwork ready for this, so I'm just going to drag and drop it onto the full page there. And this has crop marks and bleed, so I'll switch that on, and I'm going to set the status as artwork approved and click save. So you'll see this on the flat plan. Now anything that's booked as content, the artwork status colours will be a lighter shade of the colour, so in this case a lighter shade of green, whereas the adverts are a darker shade of green. Now if I decide that I want to put Colin's tyres on a different page, I can just simply pick it up and move it to a different page. Likewise, if I decide, oh, I'm not quite sure, I want something there, I can move it back to the sidebar and then move it back on to the flat plan later. So just to show you how easy it is to fill up the first few pages, I've already added some adverts and content. So we're going to just place them onto the flat plan. So I have the front cover, the welcome page, I'm going to put back again on page 3. I've got a full page advert for 4. And if I select the quarter pages, I have 2 here. So I just drag and drop them onto the flat plan. And you'll notice as I move the adverts onto the flat plan, the number in the sidebar reduces down to 0. So currently half page is at 1. Once I've placed it, it goes down to 0. So you can see you ideally want it to show 0 in the sidebar. And then the double page spread I can add here. And there we go. So you can see everything is now green and shown as approved, apart from this key tech one. It's waiting for customer approval. If I click on that, I know that the customer has approved it now, so I can update that. Artwork approved, and click save. And if I want a quick visual of how the pages look, I can turn on the show artwork toggle switch in the top of the sidebar, and there you go. It's just a visual representation of those first 7 pages. Now the difference to point out between these items that have been added from the sidebar is when you open up and look at the advert details, you'll see that there is no option to view the booking, whereas anything that has been made as part of a booking, you would have the option to see the client's booking. These are items that have just been added from the sidebar, and so you can easily delete them. So if I was to click on the delete button and confirm yes, this half page would be gone, and so would the artwork. There'd be no reference for it. So if I just select no there for now and close on this, and that's how easy it is to create a simple flat plan.